Hi friends, in this video we are learning how to enable your mobile hotspot and other mobile hotspot settings. Okay, you can just activate your mobile hotspot from the settings and also from the notification panel. Just swipe down notification panel. Then you can see your mobile data toggle is here. Just open that mobile data toggle. Then swipe right. Then you can see the mobile hotspot option. Just tap on it. Now your mobile hotspot is activated. And if you need mobile hotspot password, you can see the hotspot is activated here, Galaxy A34 5G. Okay, it is asking our password, so you can identify your password from here. Just long press that toggle, then you can go to this option, mobile hotspot. Then you can see the password is here, Adil1234. Okay, and also there is, you can see the band is here. You can easily change it to 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. 5 gigahertz is better, but the range is low, speed is high. But 2.4 is higher range and low speed. Okay, normally mobile data have providing low internet, so that's enough. 2.4. Okay guys, in this way you can easily change your network name and also password and also band, and you can also set it to open to remove the password, but it's not secure, so you must use a password settings. Okay, that's it guys. You can easily save that. Now I'm not saving. That's it, the settings. You can simply disable your mobile data from here. Just tap on the toggle. Now you are successfully turn off the mobile data, sorry, the hotspot, and also turn off the mobile data for saving data. Okay guys, it's a very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post or replace as videos, so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.